This is a Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus, and it's one of the slimmest devices I've ever used. But then at the same time, it has one of the biggest batteries I've ever seen in a smartphone, and that is 5200 mAh. So, how does this all add up? First things first, the design. Tecno actually really cooked with this one. It's got curves everywhere, the edges, the sides, and even the front. And with its matte finish and I think leather-like texture on the green variant, this phone looks and feels premium. I really like it. It's also lightweight but still durable thanks to the Gorilla Glass 7i protection that it comes with. Also, it has an IP rating for splash resistance. But full disclosure, this phone is actually slippery even though it has a matte finish. So if you're picking it up, you would want to consider using the case it came with. And this case actually has one trick up its sleeve. I'm going to talk about it later in the video, so stay tuned. Up front, you're looking at a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 144 Hz, which has rich colors and gets really bright for sunny days if you're out and about using your phone. And as far as resolution goes, technically it's 1080, but Tecno upscales it to 1.5K. So at this price point, you're getting a really vibrant display and also a very bright display, and also one of the smoothest displays. Adding the dual speakers and moving knives on this phone just feels surprisingly good. Now let's talk performance. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus is the first phone that shipped with the MediaTek Helio G200. Not groundbreaking, but it's noticeable when you're multitasking or when you're gaming. Paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, Tecno skipped the lower configs and just saved us enough power to get things done. As far as everyday tasks goes, it's smooth and gaming is decent. And thanks to the AI support, you also get some fun smart features. Speaking of AI, you've actually got 2 AI assistants on board to pick from. The first one is Google's Gemini, which is what I always prefer. Or you can use Tecno's Ella. And then there is Circle to Search, recording summaries for students and also real-time translation for phone calls, and AI video editing baked into the system. The phone runs on iOS 15.1 based on Android 15, and it feels so stable, packed with features, and surprisingly polished for this price. And at the back, it looks like this phone comes with 3 cameras, but hold your horses. It's not what it looks. It has just one real 50 megapixel main sensor. The second sensor is decorative because I don't really know what they do. And the third sensor there is an IR blaster, to turn on and off your TV because you somehow misplaced your remote. Or you can use it to control your air conditioner, which is cool. And I always welcome this feature on phones. So keep that in mind. And on the front, it has a 13 megapixel camera for your selfies or video calls or meetings or anything that you use your front-facing camera for. The cameras on this phone are decent and are good lighting, not mind-blowing. But then for this price, I kind of like it. The skin tones are accurate, which is something that I feel Tecno has improved over the years. The front-facing camera on this phone is decent under good lighting. I mean, it's not mind-blowing, but then the skin tones are accurate and it's actually kind of good. The main camera though, colors are vibrant but still natural. For the price at which it's being sold at, this camera right here is actually one of the better cameras in the segment. As far as video goes, it caps at 1080 with electronic stabilization. When it comes to the battery life and the battery on this phone and actually charging your phone app, this is where the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus flexes. Inside is a 5200 mAh battery, which I have mentioned earlier, which easily lasts a full day. Charging the phone is where the real magic is. It comes with 45 watts wired charging, a 30 watts wireless charging, and even a 5 watts reverse wireless charging, which you can use to juice up your earbuds or your friend's iPhone that died like a couple of hours ago. And oh, remember I mentioned the case had one trick up its sleeve? It adds magnetic wireless charging to your phone, which adds like MagSafe to your Tecno Spark device. So all your MagSafe accessories that you got from the other brands would work here, which is mind-blowing. There's this app or feature on this phone called Freelink, which allows you to speak to other people using Tecno devices for free within 30 meters. Like, you can call them with, like, you don't need to have Wi-Fi or even a SIM in the phone. You can just call them and it'll pick it up through the Freelink app. Something similar to a walkie-talkie, but on a smartphone. And you don't have to download an app. It already comes with the phone. And also, I had a friend who got his son on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. So I reached out to him to actually tell me his thoughts and experience after having the phone for like about 24 hours or so. So here's what he had to say.
It's been 48 hours now, Monday, right? And so far, so good. All what I thought of, all what I expected, I have seen for myself. Camera quality, yeah, I think I sought advice with respect to the camera, and then the information I received is actually true. Image processing is different from the others, so the camera quality is better, or the picture or images are better. Battery life, yes, 5,200. So for some time now, I've been enjoying. Truth is, I have not left the phone since I bought it. So also very sleek. When I put it in my pocket, sometimes you don't even see that there's something in my pocket. Yes, I haven't really gamed yet, but so far so good. Things are moving very quick for me.
So the question now is, should you get the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus? Well, it depends on what you want. But if you ask me, I'll say it makes sense because for the price you're getting it at, I'm going to leave the price in the description. You're getting a sleek and durable design, a gorgeous AMOLED display with crazy brightness and 144 Hz, a decent chipset and solid 8GB RAM, surprisingly good cameras, and probably the fastest wireless charging at this price. The only downside I can see right now is the fact that Tecno hasn't really confirmed how many updates or how many Android updates they are going to give this phone. So if that is a deal breaker for you, you should definitely keep it in mind. But if that's not a deal breaker and you don't care about Android updates, this phone is actually a solid buy and you can definitely get it. So yeah, these are my thoughts and opinions of the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. If you enjoyed the video to this point, you're a real one, and give me a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to anyone who is considering getting a new phone and is on a tight budget but wants a phone that feels premium and looks premium and can start conversations. With that said, see you guys in the next one.